What if I told you that cleaning your home in 2025 could be completely hands-free? That's right, no more pushing vacuums around. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 robot vacuums that will revolutionize your cleaning routine. From smart mapping to self-emptying bins, these gadgets are a must-have for every home. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q Revo vacuums and wet mops simultaneously, using circular pads that spin at an impressive 200 rotations per minute. We found this high-speed scrubbing ensures floors are thoroughly cleaned, lifting dirt and debris effectively. Users with carpets up to 7 mm high don't even need to remove the mopping pads to vacuum, as the robot intelligently detects carpets and lifts the pads to prevent wetting. The pads also don't require removal after every use, thanks to the robot's self-cleaning and drying mechanism when it returns to its dock. The Q Revo features a rubber brush instead of traditional bristles, which helps reduce pet hair tangles, too. While we noticed a small amount of fur caught in the brush's corners during testing, it was never enough to cause a clog. Number 2. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max. The Eufy 11S Max robot vacuum delivers high-end features, like automatic suction adjustment, at an incredibly appealing price point. Its sleek and ultra-slim design, standing just under 3 inches tall, allows it to easily glide under low-profile furniture like ottomans and couches, tackling even the hardest-to-reach dirt. We've previously tested and been impressed by other Eufy models, including the RoboVac G20 and RoboVac X8, so we're confident recommending this newer unit. Equipped with BoostIQ technology, it automatically increases suction power when detecting dirtier areas. We also like that its large wheels allow smooth transitions between medium pile carpet, hardwood and tile, though it can't pass thresholds taller than 0.65 inches, so it may struggle with taller door ledges. Number 3. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum XL RV2502AE. Shark AI's compact design and self-emptying bin make it a standout choice, especially for carpet cleaning. It's our best overall pick in our roundup of the best robot vacuums for carpet. Its streamlined footprint impressed us, and setup was a breeze. It's ready to clean with just the press of a button. The robot navigated tight spaces and cleaned under kitchen cabinet toe kicks without getting stuck. However, the LiDAR sensor on top makes it too tall to fit under some low-profile furniture. After methodically covering our test floors, the Shark returned to its dock and emptied every speck of debris it collected. On carpet, it performed exceptionally well, lifting nearly all debris in our tests. Impressively, during one trial, it even returned to pick up a missed piece of debris on its second pass. Be aware, though, that the dustbin emptying process is quite loud, but it lasts only about 20 seconds. Number 4. Noesis Florio 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Many robot vacuums and combo units include time-saving features like self-emptying bases or systems to wash and dry mop pads between cleanings. However, the Noesis Florio stands out as the only vacuum mop combo we've tested that can automatically switch out its mop pads. Instead of relying on reusable pads, it uses disposable ones stored in a drawer within its charging base. Dirty pads are dropped into a waste drawer when they're finished, and you can customize how often the pads are changed using the app. As a bonus, the charging base even includes an air freshener. While the Florio is pricier than some of the other combo robots we recommend, we think its unique maintenance features make it a worthwhile investment. Number 5. Dreame L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The L10S Ultra functions as both a vacuum and a mop. On carpets, it automatically raises its mopping pads, allowing for seamless dry and wet cleaning in one session. In our tests, it excelled at removing pet hair from carpets, with none of the hair tangling in the brush roll or clogging the dustbin. It was all automatically emptied into the dock's spacious 3-liter dust bag. Transitioning from hard floors to carpets was smooth, as the mopping pads lifted promptly. We appreciated that the included cleaning solution has its own designated spot in the dock, eliminating the need to mix it manually into the water tank. During mopping, sticky stains noticeably lightened after just one pass. The dock also automatically washes and dries the mopping pads upon the robot's return. And there you have it, the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2025. Which one are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more game-changing recommendations. All the product links are in the description, so go check them out. Until next time, keep your home spotless without lifting a finger.